Okay guys, here we go for an update on the garden. So here we have red onions. Next to it is sweet corn. Down there we have white onions after the row of sweet corn. Now let's discuss this. What's going on with this one?
That's broccoli that we already harvested.
And this is what broccoli looks like. Yeah, the one got a little away from us, but the other one's still good. This is a type of cabbage. And over here, I think it'd be the same family, but you know what those little buds are? Those are Brussels sprouts. And then over here, this plant, we planted it a little close to the cucumbers, but it'll be all right. This is eggplant. And then over here, each of them flowers is gonna be a pickle or a cucumber. There's a couple of zooks that we already pulled out, and there's some zucchinis in there as well that, I mean, look at that thing. That thing's a monster. Over here, these are sweet potatoes. However, now this whole row here was sweet potatoes, and something ate the tops off of them. Now down here, this mess is actually potatoes. And the reason you don't see any potatoes, for anybody that doesn't know, I know a lot of you do, but potatoes grow underground. And carrots do too, and radishes, and beets. They're all root vegetables. Okay, so this vibrant green thing here's lettuce. That red looking thing is a different variety of lettuce. Here is carrots. These are the radishes, right, Cindy? Okay, these are radishes. Behind it are green beans. Here are some radishes that we pulled a little while ago because they were perking out above the ground, and if they get too big, they get spicier. So we like to get ours a little bit early if we can. Here's a couple of beets. And then of course our corn, which is kind of sad looking, but it's trying to be knee-high by the 4th of July.
It's there. Most of it's there.
It's trying. It's trying. Yeah, most of it is there. Some of them are a little short, but that's all right. It just means it won't all come ripe at the same time. Okay, so tell me about what you're doing.
Right now I'm pulling the weeds that are closest to the plants. I can hoe in between the rows and further away from the plant, but I don't want to hoe right up against the plant.
Okay. And what is that thing?
This is a rogue tomato.
We got another one right there.
There's actually 2 down there.
Oh, there's 3 of them.
And
Yeah, there's 2 down there.
There's 2 more over here that, yeah, came up.
Oh, here's another one.
Came up from last year, and I've actually pulled a couple of the smaller ones.
And there's another one. But yeah, this in the middle here is a watermelon.
We've actually got a couple of baby melons on.
Let's see. Show me a baby melon.
I'm trying to figure out where I saw them. I think it was further down there. Yeah, right there. Just down from the string.
There we go. Here's another shot of the potatoes. Usually what you do, you hoe between the rows a little bit, you heap the dirt up alongside the potato plants. Potatoes are actually kind of a cool plant. So like, if you heap the dirt up around the potato plant, you'll actually tend to get nicer, bigger, better potatoes, maybe even more of them, just by making the dirt a little bit deeper and supporting the plant with it.